Reading together at home is a really great way to help your child develop literacy. But what exactly should you be doing to encourage them when you sit down together to read a book? Start by looking at the book together. Ask your child what they think it's about. Then look through and talk about the pictures before reading the text. Always let them hold the book and turn the page. Investigate why they stop turning pages. Do they like this part? Do they love the picture? If they flick over pages, is it scary? Is it boring? Reading with your child isn't a perfect performance of the story, it's an adventure. Get them to join in with reading familiar parts and point out interesting words and familiar letters. Doing these simple things to engage your child in reading will encourage them to learn to read on their own.